Ready, go. Okay, so for cuff placement, you're gonna do cord toward the patient, open the cuff. We can go on any of these fingers here, and we wanna land between the first and second knuckle. You can see the solid lines are on the edges of the finger. Those arrows point to the distal knuckle, and simply let this fold over. And you'll pull the strips away so the adhesive can apply. And then this is proper cuff orientation on the patient's hand. We'll come over here. We've powered on the monitor. We'll enter height, weight, age, gender. It's all touchscreen. Be mindful of the unit of measure, pounds and kilos, as you enter. Choose gender, hit start session. Choose your technology, and then we can proceed to set up. From there, we're gonna take our device and connect. I wanna show you the ports, and you can see it's a lock and key fit. Choose port 1 or port 2, it does not matter. This cable here goes onto the end of the finger. This here is a placeholder, and we can keep this device then close to the patient. It does not inflate, it simply keeps the cords next to the patient. And then lastly, this piece will clip near the patient's heart. We can come back over here. We have all green lights, and we're gonna go ahead and hit start. And you can see it's now starting to read blood pressure. While it's starting to read blood pressure, let's do a couple things. I'm gonna push this button here, and we're gonna toggle to numeric trend, these boxes. Here is how you adjust the timeline. I recommend keeping it on 5. You can scroll back in time as you need. Lastly, let's put systolic, diastolic, and map up here. If you touch it, you can change it. Select parameter, or we want a pressure, we want systolic from the cuff. Then we'll come over here, select parameter, and we want a diastolic from the cuff. And then lastly, we'll change parameter so that we have map from the cuff. Hit the home button, and now we've got the blood pressure continuously, systolic, diastolic, map. Here's your waveform, your blood pressure. This stair step means that it's calibrating. It does that frequently when you first start it, and we'll then proceed to do it about once a minute or so while it's running on the patient. Lastly, these bars here, much like a cell phone signal, will illuminate. If you have more than 2 bars, 2, 3, or 4, it is a good quality signal. Your placement and reading on the patient is good. If it's less than that, then do some troubleshooting. I start with the patient to make sure that the finger cuff is on appropriately.